Okay guys, now we will create a table in the database named as tb test1. So we will click on this link and right click on table and click on create table. So in the table name we will write as employee underscore table, and in the name we have employee underscore id, and this should be this having the data type integer data type, and it will be a primary key, and it should be not null. Okay, now the second column we first name, employee first name, first name, it should be a variable and should not be not null. And the last name, it is also having the same data type varchar, and it can be null. So you can see a person who's only having the first name and there is no surname of his or her. So lastly we will create a column age, but age will be a integer data type, so we will change this to integer, and it should also not null, it must also not null. Okay, so in this way we have create a table, and right now we will create on the apply link. This is also show the review the SQL script. So in this way we can review this SQL script. Create table database name dot employee table, and we have employee ID, first name, last name, and age, and all the data types along with this. So we have employee ID as a primary key, so we will click on the apply button. In this way we have execute SQL statement, and now click on finish. So in this way we can, if we click on the table link tab, and we will see that there is a employee underscore table in the table. Okay, table tab. So to view this table we will click on this link, this icon. So actually we haven't added any values into this table, so now we will add some values. We have employee ID 101, and the name is Sanjay Sharma, and his age is 25. Now we have another person 102, and his name is Anuj, and we have surname is Tyagi, and the age is 28. Now we have another person 103 is the employee ID, and her name is Preeti, and like we have the name as Preeti Gupta, and her age is 22. Okay, now more we can add another this person details. It is 104, sorry, it is 104, and his name will be Charan Singh, and his name his age is 36. We can add more, but okay, I have applied this using this. Now I will also create this using SQL statement. I will also insert the value using the SQL statement. For this I will write this insert into first of all the database name db test1 dot file table name, it is employee underscore table, and then open the bracket. So we have employee underscore id, comma, we have first name, comma, we have last name, comma, we have age, okay. Now put the values here, values, it is 105, comma, first name is Sunny, the last name is Sunny Singh, and again comma, and we have the age (29). Okay, so close the bracket, and now we will execute this query. Select this query, this portion, and click on this link. Okay, okay, let's see. We have 106, and the name is Anshul Singh, okay, and the age is 29. So now we will execute this, insert into DB test. Actually I have inserted this twice, so it display that error code 1062 duplicate entry, means I just have create 105 in my video as a primary key, so it gives this. Now click on the apply link, okay. Actually I have deleted one row from the table, so firstly it execute this. Now apply. Okay, now we can see that we have employee ID details and first name, last name, and their age. So in this way we have created one table. Now I just want to add a column in the table. So I just came back to this. Okay, I just recall this. Now for this you have to click on this tool icon. This will appear in the table. So I'm just closing one sort of things. Here, this will open this. Now we will create a department name as a column and another column, and this can be, we can blank, we will left the blank all the other things and hit the apply button. So in SQL this will create like this: alter table, database name, then employee table, add column. and we are just adding the column, add column, department name, and it will comes after the age column, and it can be none, and hit on the apply button. Now execute the query and this finish. So you can see that, just close this from here. Now view, yes, we have the department name. So now you can, this way we can fill this details as department as PMG, project mounting group, and sales department, CSG, computer software group, and IT group, or you can say DBA group, and sorry, we just have only these things. Okay, just create one more. 107 Aman Jan, and his age is 36, and we have the department as networking. Okay, just click on apply. So we just we just updating the other links, other rows, as we have already created this. So this is the SQL script. Okay, and I also have insert one more row into the table. So click on apply. Script is successful, and now we can see this. Okay, we will learn more about this in my coming video. Thank you for this.